The ChangBERT Induction Cooktop 1800W is designed for high efficiency, offering 9 preset power levels and 18 temperature settings, making it faster and more energy efficient than traditional cooking methods. Its robust construction ensures consistently stable high-power output, suitable for continuous use, with advanced technology that reduces internal heat and noise for reliable performance. This cooktop features a large cooking area with an expanded magnetic coil design that enhances electromagnetic energy transfer, providing even heat distribution for optimal cooking results. It is NSF certified and built to commercial-grade standards, making it perfect for heavy-duty use in professional kitchens, restaurants, and catering services. The intuitive control panel and easy-to-clean surface make operation simple and maintenance hassle-free, even in busy cooking environments. With its compact and portable design, the ChangBERT Induction Cooktop is ideal for a variety of settings, offering convenience without sacrificing valuable counter space.